see what's inside this spray paint. And what's that making the noise?
Come on, let's open it up.
Yeah, they're not inside the house. Are you sure inside the house?
Yeah.
Why over here?
Come on, you hold the video.
Here's my dad over here. Ah! My dad is doing cracking that. I do that to make sure it's inside. There, what's inside?
Is it recording?
Yeah. Was it right? Then I use the pliers.
We need to make a big hole first.
Ah! Yeah, what's inside and what's making that creaking noise? Yeah, what's inside? Oh, Daddy, stomp on it. They used to... What's that? Oh. It's the other one. So we can go on the other side. Your iPhone can go so close.
Still recording?
Yeah, still. Then show me what's inside, okay? What's inside?
It's open.
It's open?
Hmm.
What's inside, guys? Make sure like and subscribe. Wow! What is that? Is it marbles? 3 marbles? Yeah, I think it's 3 marbles. But can you touch them? So what do you do?
3 marbles.
So what?
Show it to the camera.
3 marbles.
So that's what's inside this, guys.
Crayon paints. Ah.